I like how we're finishing this show today. Oh yes, Canadian brand ambassador for Prosciutto di Parma, Chef Roberto Fracchioni. Did I get it right?
Yes, you did.
I
Perfect.
did. Okay, because everybody in Beamsville would be.
I know they'd be
judging
they
me.
wouldn't know who I am.
What's it in Beamsville?
What's that?
How do you say it in Beamsville? Is it
Fracchioni.
Fracchioni.
You say Fracchioni, but you know that's okay.
Great to have Chef here who's representing, yes, Prosciutto di Parma, because there's many different types of prosciutto.
There's many, very many, and each one is unique. It's not like one is better than the other. It's just they develop different characteristics because of the area in which they're made.
Right.
So Prosciutto di Parma comes from the region of Parma, and
Do you have to say it like Parma?
well, you don't. You can say Parma. That's okay if you want to. I have to say Parma, or else I don't know. I'll be booted out of it.
Right.
So, but yeah, so they all develop different characteristics. So Prosciutto di Parma tastes like Parma, and you can't produce that anywhere else in the world because it won't develop the same characteristics.
Right. But you grew up in Beamsville.
I grew up in Beamsville, born and raised.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Just down the road. But spend time in Italy as well?
A lot. I did a lot of working. I'm, have my citizenship and go back as often as I can. I travel very little, but when I do, very little other places than Italy. It's always back there because I feel at home there.
Okay. What's the best way to, well, you can eat prosciutto.
I mean,
everybody. I'm going to tear off a piece right now. My kids love it.
I mean, and that's the thing is, when it comes to cured meats, when it comes to prosciutto di Parma, people are used to it being on an antipasto board, right? You just eat, or charcuterie. If you want to use the French term, even though it's Italian, whatever. But anyway, on an antipasto board, and people eat it, they love it, it's great. But it's a really versatile product. So today I just want to do a few simple things with it, just to show people how to elevate their game. It's summertime. Yeah. You're entertaining. You don't want to be slaving.
Well, sometimes if you're going over to somebody's place and you have to bring something along.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
You can, I don't think anyone would be upset if you show up with that. But to do a couple quick little things, it just ups your game and makes you like, the rock star.
Okay, we're going salad first here?
We're going to do a salad first. So Prosciutto di Parma, great ingredient in other dishes. So this is a little bit of baby arugula. This is farro, which is spelt flour. So it's just like a whole grain of wheat.
That's right.
Yep. And it's just been cooked, boiled, a little bit of salt. So you get a chewy texture, you get a nice earthy flavor. So
Grocery store? Did you pick that up?
Oh yeah. You'll find it everywhere. You have to look for it because it's usually, a small bag kind of tucked away. But when you do, it's really simple. You just boil it off, a little bit of salt in your water. And this adds some richness to the salad. A little bit of green beans, a little bit of olives. These are Tajaska olives, nice sweet olives.
Oh, taste of
I love the way you do these classes, these segments. This is amazing. A little bit of that, a little bit of tomatoes for a bit of acidity. Okay. And then we're going to add some lemon juice. We're going to dress the salad. Always, always, always acid first.
Yeah.
Before oil. So it sticks to your ingredients. If you put the oil on and then you put your acid on, the acid hits the oil and just, runs off of your product. Yeah. So a little bit of acid, a little bit of oil, and I mist so that I can be really gentle with the products.
Sorry, what is that thing?
It's just a mister. Just olive oil. Ah. Yeah. And when you mist, you're not like drenching your lettuces.
Too much on there. Okay.
Yeah. And then
just throw that in there. We just got over a minute left. We want to get to the other stuff here.
All right. So you do this, throw this all in.
And don't have to do anything with that. Don't have to crisp that up or anything.
No, not at all.
What are you doing with this one?
I think you're going to find a home for it. And then, we plate it. A little bit of salt on top. And then the other ingredients, this is a little fruit platter. So everybody wraps prosciutto di Parma around a piece of melon. But, it's summer. We have all these beautiful stone fruits coming from Niagara. Wrap anything you can find. Any fruit.
You got a little
we have
fig there.
Peaches, we have figs, we have watermelon, which is like crazy good. Yeah. Some melons, some plums, whatever you find in the grocery store, or farmer's market.
Let's do this one.
This is a skewer with some pear, some prosciutto. These are little croutons, and this is a rabbiola cheese, which is like a soft, sweet cheese. So it's just like a nice, complete little snack.
Quickly, how do we know it's di Parma?
The crown.
The crown.
If it doesn't have the crown on the actual leg or on the packaging, then it's not prosciutto di Parma.
Okay, what am I going for here? I'm going for
All of it, I think.
Yeah, I'm going for a fig. I'm going for a fig. Shout out to the Fracchionis in Beamsville. Thanks, Chef.
Thank you very much.
Cheers, man.